All right, I got another Vevor product to put together and review. It's a hitch bike rack. There's a model number RC1803i, I think. It's got a 2-inch hitch size, and there you go. So it's a Vevor bicycle rack. So let me open this up and show you what you get. All right, so the only thing I've done off camera is I cut the tape so I can lift the lid off so you can see what's in there. So here we go. Bam. All right, and as you can see, it comes, I guess it's all right. There's the instructions, the most important part. We got the, see what all we get in the box. Got a good amount of metal. That must be the accessories and bolts. There's the upright. There's the hitch portion of it. Alright. Those are pretty stout, whatever's in there. And more accessories. Alright, so I'm going to turn you off. I showed you what was in it. And I'm going to read the instructions. So there you go. All right, there's what it looks like out of the bubble wrap. The instructions said I need an adjustable spanner and a 17mm wrench. So instead of making you log through this, I'm gonna do a time lapse, and I'll bring you back once I got it all put together. So here we go. All right, that's what it takes to put this thing together. The only things that I haven't installed are the belts that go across the tires, and then they have little straps to even double down if you're going on the interstate. But they said to put those on once you put the bicycles on. So there you go. That's all it takes to put this puppy together. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, put them down below. And as always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you, and have a great day.